Hello, my name is Carlos Llerena, name of wonder, rich world of shine. Where is the rich world of shine is lucky. Its perfectly complete shine is capital Beijing. Is natural for man-made. Is wonder is natural. Hello, I greet you from the rich world of shine one of receiving wonder of the world. I want to send a greeting for shine to my family in Colombia. I am traveling in Asia. I am in Monsoon province that borders Beijing. I am doing a dog hunt. Come with its beautiful culture. Its world her majestic creation are spectacular. The world are very extensive. The world cross mountains and rivers, deserts. This heart of many towers, falls, and temples in spots we can see his vastness. And natural you can take our chair. All at good fresh. I are the beautiful view to landscape between its mountain. It's definitely majestic. This place to hold this alive its organization. Its secret still claims a reality that transmitted. I love it. Goodbye.